Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw something a little bit different with a little bit more of a mix-up. And I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Among Us character, but this time it's going to be an Among Us Blue the Raptor skin from Jurassic World. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Among Us Blue, we're going to begin with the face shield. I'm going to begin right over here, and we're going to start by making a line that's going to go up, it's going to curve around, and come back. It's going to be kind of at an angle. Next, we're going to take this line, and we're just going to put a slight curve on it, and then connect it to here. Now, starting right about here, we're going to make a little line that comes down. And I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to here. Now I'm going to jump to the top of my face mask, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, it's going to go over, and come down to here. I'm going to draw a little line with like a little bump right here. And then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come across here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then for the feet, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out and then comes across. We'll make another one that goes down and then over. And one more that's going to go down and over. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes up. Starting here, I'm going to make another little line that goes over. And we'll draw another line that goes down. Then I'm going to go down and then over. Down and over. And down and over again. Next, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it right up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out, and then it's going to come down. And another one's going to go down and then in. Now, starting up here, we want to make the tail. I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and it's going to come out like this. We're going to make it come to a little bit of a point, and I'm going to redraw that line, and we're just going to go down. I'm going to bring it right down here past that little pack. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a couple little V-shapes for some teeth. And I'm going to do a couple more down here too. Now, starting right about here, I want to add that little design that Blue has kind of going down her, like kind of by her face. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to make kind of like a little bit of a wavy line that's going to come back to here. And then I'm going to draw another one down here, and it's going to get a little bit smaller as it comes back to there. Then starting down here at the tail, I'm going to make a little bit of a wiggly line that goes down, and then it's going to come back here. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Among Us skin in a blue Velociraptor form from Jurassic World the game. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.